Zubi laba, dubi kaba, zula dubi. MOT shortcut for diatomics is mighty and fine. 14 electrons means bond order 3 on the line. Step up or down by 1 electron, it's true. Subtract 0.5, but if BO is 0, the molecule falls through.
Even is dia, odd is para, that's the general state. But 10 and 16 are even and paramagnetic,
breaking the trait. For B2 to N2, pi comes before sigma Z in the space. For O2 to F2, sigma Z drops below pi to the base.
Bond order is NB minus NA
upon 2 for the test. Higher order means higher stability,
and shorter length is the best. Resonance bond order is total bonds upon symmetric structures.
That's a fact. Dipole moment is a vector cancellation game.
BF3 and CO2 have polar bonds,
but 0 mu is the name.
Formal charge is valence minus non-bonding minus half of bonding.
Keep it bright.
Lone pairs break symmetry,
making molecules polar and tight.
In coordination, Werner's rule takes the lead. Primary is oxidation,
secondary is coordination number. Take heed for IUPAC. Ligands go alphabetical, anions end in O.
Metal name ends with Roman numeral state to run the show. The spectrochemical series puts the donors to the test.
IBRCLF,
then water is the rest,
then NH3, ENCN,
and CO is the strongest of the boss.
If crystal field splitting is greater than pairing, they unite. Electrons pair up, forming inner orbitals and low spin in sight.
Weak field shows splitting less than pairing. Outer and high spin is the crown.
CFSC decides the stability,
and the transitions bring colors to town.
EAN rule tries to reach noble gas, but exceptions often soar.
Synergic bonding in carbonyls makes MC
strong and CO poor. Linkage needs ambidentity.
Ionization swaps the counter.
Ion trace.
Optical needs asymmetry.
Octahedral cis usually shine,
but symmetric trans loses the rays.
Metallurgy flows from the ore to the gold. Concentration, reduction, and refining unfold.
Leaching uses cyanide for gold,
and Bayer's NaOH for aluminum's fame.
Oxides are easy,
but carbonates and sulfides need a heating game.
Heat carbonates without air,
calcination is the name.
Roast sulfides with oxygen,
roasting brings the flame.
Mix flux with the ganglion slag will be born.
Flotation uses NaCN as a depressant to keep PBS and ZNS torn.
A more reactive metal reduces a less reactive one.
That's the scheme. Carbon reduction for iron and zinc.
Aluminothermic for manganese is dream.
Copper mat is Cu2S and FeS.
Heated without a doubt.
Auto reduction kicks in and blister copper pops. SO2 out.
Ellingham diagram graphs delta G versus
T in the night.
Delta G equals delta H minus T.
Delta S makes it right.
Higher temperature makes delta G negative,
and the lower metal reduces the upper one type.
Electrolytic refining makes copper and zinc super pure. Zone refining for semiconductors. Mond for nickel.
Van Arkel is zirconium's cure.